A boy called Alex went to see the priest because he felt desperate and misunderstood. His parents no longer believed him and blamed him for everything that had gone wrong, although this time he was innocent. As Alex explained his situation to the priest, his mind went back to what had happened. Alex remembered hiding his school grades, only for his mother to find them in the rubbish. He remembered begging his parents to let him go to a friend's house to study for an important project, despite being grounded, only to be caught at the skate park instead. He remembered the sadness in his parents' eyes when they saw him there, and the times he had stolen money from their pockets. The flashbacks ended and Alex pleaded to the priest. "Yes, I lied to them before, but what they're accusing me of now isn't true. If I'm telling the truth, why don't they believe me?" The priest looked at Alex and replied, "Trust is like a delicate flower. Every lie damages it until it's completely destroyed. When that happens, you have to be willing to invest time and love to make it bloom again. It doesn't happen overnight." Alex understood then that it was up to him to rebuild trust with his parents. He realized that it would take time, love, and understanding to help that delicate flower of trust grow again.